upbeat music playing Hey by Smart Family. Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. In the left corner, priced at $599, we have the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. And in the right corner, with a price tag of $999, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s. It's a clean fight, folks. Let's dive in and see which one sucks the best. Alright, let's start with the price. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus comes in at a wallet-friendly $599. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30s is like that friend who always insists on going to the most expensive restaurant, costing you a whopping $999. That's a $400 difference, folks. For that price, the DEEBOT better be able to cook dinner too. Now, let's talk about suction power. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus boasts 5,500 PA of hyperforce suction. Impressive, right? But wait for it. The DEEBOT T30s comes in with a mind-blowing 11,000 pascals suction power. It's like comparing a gentle breeze to a Category 5 hurricane. If you're looking to vacuum up your carpets and possibly your cat, the DEEBOT's got you covered. Reviewers of the Roborock Q5 Max Plus appreciate its efficient cleaning capabilities on various surfaces, while those who tried the DEEBOT T30s are amazed by its sheer power and effectiveness on hard floors. Next up, anti-tangle technology. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus has a dual roller brush that minimizes tangling. But the DEEBOT T30s is like the Houdini of robot vacuums with its zero-tangle technology. It avoids hair tangles like I avoid my ex at parties. Smooth, seamless, and no drama. Reviewers of the Roborock Q5 Max Plus find it great for pet owners, while those using the DEEBOT T30s appreciate its ability to handle hair without getting tangled. Navigation time. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus uses the PresaSense LiDAR navigation system to create detailed 3D maps. It's like having a mini Sherlock Holmes in your vacuum. But the DEEBOT T30s isn't slacking either with its True Detect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0. This thing avoids obstacles better than I avoid doing laundry. It's practically a ninja. Users of the Roborock Q5 Max Plus praise its smart mapping and obstacle detection, while DEEBOT T30s users commend its efficient navigation and mapping capabilities. Who likes emptying dustbins? No one, that's who. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus offers 7-week hands-free cleaning with its 2X 2.5L dust bags. It's like having a personal assistant for your dust. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30s takes it up a notch with its all-in-one OM&I station that self-empties, refills water, and even hot air dries. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Fancy, but does it also make coffee? Reviewers love the convenience of the Roborock's self-emptying dock, while those with the DEEBOT T30s appreciate its comprehensive hands-free features. Battery life is crucial. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus runs up to 240 minutes on a single charge, covering a whopping 3,767 SQFT. That's more than enough time to clean while you binge-watch your favorite series. The DEEBOT T30s, on the other hand, offers up to 180 minutes. Not bad, but it's like that friend who leaves the party early. Plus, it charges 40% faster, so it's back in action before you know it. Reviewers of the Roborock Q5 Max Plus are impressed by its long battery life, whereas DEEBOT T30s users appreciate its quick charging feature. Last but not least, control options. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus syncs with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. You can boss it around with your voice or app. The DEEBOT T30S, however, takes it to another level. You can control it with voice commands, a foot touch, Apple Watch, smartphone widgets, dynamic island, and of course, Alexa. It's like having a vacuum that's more connected than your social media accounts. Reviewers of the Roborock Q5 Max Plus enjoy its integration with popular smart home systems, while DEEBOT T30's users love its extensive control options. Overall, reviewers find the Roborock Q5 Max Plus to be a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective cleaning solution, especially praised for its long battery life and smart navigation. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s is highly recommended for its powerful suction, comprehensive hands-free features, and advanced control options, albeit at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s both put up a good fight. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid features, go for the Roborock. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the bells and whistles, the DEEBOT is your go-to. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.